Taste buds are important because they let us enjoy the food we eat, figure out how healthy it is, make sure it is safe to eat, and control our hunger and energy levels. Because of this, they are an important part of our digestive and overall health. Taste buds develop and change over time because of things like genetics, age, and what they are exposed to in the environment. As we get older, our sense of taste and the sensitivity of our taste buds naturally change. This can change the way some foods taste or even make them less tasty. Also, our tastes can change as we get older and learn about different cultures and foods. How our taste buds develop is also affected by our genes. Some people may be more sensitive to bitter tastes by nature, while others may be more sensitive to sweet tastes. Our taste buds can also change because of things in the environment, like being exposed to different spices and flavors. For example, if you tried different spices and flavors when you were young, you may grow up to have a more open mind about food and be more likely to try new and strange foods. In the end, taste buds develop through a long, complicated process that is affected by many things. By paying attention to what tastes we like and trying different flavors and foods, we can help our taste buds grow and change over time. If you want to find out the answers to the questions you've always had, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.